Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Your girl is back with another video today, but today we're not going to be doing a stuffing video. Today's video is going to be my 2021 goals that I want to accomplish by the end of December. And also this video is going to be of me unboxing some Happy Mail that I won. I entered a giveaway on YouTube on one of the budgeting channels. Her name is Shopz. Her YouTube is Shopz, and I entered the giveaway. I was the winner for that giveaway, and I was so excited because I never really win anything. So yeah, so that's what today's video consists of. I went to Target today, y'all, and I got this little candle. It was $3, I think, and it says cupcakes are muffins that believed in miracles, and it smells so good. So yeah, and I thought it was really cute for the video. So we're gonna get started, and the #1 goal that I have for this year before December gets here is I want to get my emergency fund up to $150. So we're gonna put emergency fund, not $150, $1,500 by December. So my second goal is I want to reach $1,000 in my Christmas fund by December as well. And from the looks of it, I think I will be able to accomplish both of those goals. #3 is I would like to reach $500 in my savings fund by December. That just really, I know I was supposed to capitalize December. So #4 is I really want to start my 100 envelope challenge over again. I kind of quit doing it. I still have the money from when I started, and I still have my my little sheet that I made to keep track. And here's a sheet that I made. It's just a piece of copy paper, and I just used a ruler, and I made 100 boxes, and I numbered them 1 through 100. And every time I would put money in a certain envelope, so if I put $26 in number 26, I would just highlight this with a highlighter or a marker. So I think I'm going to start back doing this. And also I want to start a 3 to 6 month fund or envelope, and I'm going to use my 100 envelope challenge for that. So I'm gonna start my envelope challenge back up, and the money in that I save from that will go to my 3 to 6 month fund. So yeah, so I'm gonna start this back over probably the second paycheck of September. A lot of things are gonna be different, so yeah, you guys will see that. So moving on, these are all of my goals. So I want to have $1,500 by December in my emergency fund, which I think I'm going to accomplish. I want to reach $1,000 in Christmas by December, $500 in savings by December, and I want to start my 100 envelope challenge over. And I had my when I first started the envelope challenge, I went to the dollar store and got a bunch of envelopes, and I just thought I was being very wasteful. So what I did was took all the money out, and I labeled this envelope 100 envelope challenge, and I also labeled another one. But of course all this money is not going to fit in either one of these, but we're going to figure it out. So but this is going to be my 100 envelope challenge binder, so we will figure that out. So yeah, moving on, those are all the goals that I have, and I want to start a 3 to 6 month fund in case something happens, and that way I'll have money to, you know, pay my bills just in case. So yeah, that is out of the way. So we are going to go into unboxing our Happy Mail that we got. It's my mail. Don't want to show you her name or her address or mine, but She has a sticker that says thank you for supporting my small business, and it's in a pink envelope, which is really pretty, one of my favorite colors. So yeah, we are going to unbox this, and her YouTube name is Simple Shopz. And yeah, I won this as a giveaway. So yeah, she didn't mention that I would get a little coin pouch, and it's a clear coin pouch. So cute. So I will be using this as well. So this is one of the gifts that I won. And then this is what I won. It's a nude pink sort of binder. It feels suede, like it's really soft. So yeah, it's like nude pink. I would say a nude pink. Probably could have took that out easy or better than that, but oh well. So we have that, and then here is, we'll put this aside, and here are my envelopes, and I got 5 envelopes, I think, and I got to custom name the envelopes. So we're going to open. I hate messing up this. This is very, very cute. So we're gonna go ahead and open our envelopes here so we can see how they look. Ooh. Alright, so this is just some tissue paper, but pretty stars. So here are the envelopes, and this has a thank you for supporting my small business sticker on here as well. Okay, so here we go. So I have a cash breakdown, and I also received this from Oh My Pies when I ordered envelopes, my A7 mini binder from her. So this is a cash breakdown. We're gonna put that there, and then, oh, this is cute. She gave me a bank envelope. So any money that I need to take back to the bank, I can use this, and I definitely will be using this. I have one in my, I think my yellow binder or pink binder, but this is so cute. So she gave me this. I'll definitely be using this. And she gave me, oh my God, that's cute. So she gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She gave me $5,000 bills, which I have some already because I ordered some off of Amazon, but it's okay. You can never have too many. So here are the envelopes that I had ordered. I ordered emergency fund. So yes, she gave me $1,000 slip, which is awesome. I'll just put that with the rest that I have. So we have emergency fund. Christmas, we have Christmas. These are really, really pretty. We have savings, business, and for this, I have a cosmetic business. I just applied for my LLC like 2 months ago, so it was approved. So everything is final. I'm getting everything together. I have a lip gloss business, a cosmetic business. I sell lip gloss, homemade organic lip glosses. I sell eyebrow and eyelash serum. I make bangles. I sell lip scrubs. I will be adding beard oil to my business in a little while for the gentlemen who like to grow beards. So I do have that. I have different kinds of lip glosses. I will link my website in the description box down below. I'm still working on my website, so when everything is finalized, you guys come over and purchase some lip gloss if you're into lip gloss. Like I said, everything is homemade, organic. Yeah, very, very clean, yeah, I don't play any of that. So yeah, this is for my business. I'm gonna start putting money away so that I can order more essentials for that. And then I ordered this 2K challenge excuse me, 2K challenge envelope, because next year I want to start this 2K challenge, and I saw this challenge on Pinterest. She has a challenge back here, so I may, you know, we can use this. It doesn't matter, we can use this. But I did see one on Pinterest. I'm not sure if it's the same one, but yeah, I am very, very appreciative for this. So yeah, it may be the same one, I don't know, but it's a bi-weekly savings challenge for 26 weeks and you will save 2K. I don't know, I'm gonna get on pictures and see if this is like the same thing. I'm not sure, but yeah, so this is not gonna be started to next year. Like I said, my other envelopes have all of these, but next year, well, the rest of this year, I wanted to have like my top priority. I wanted to have a binder for like the top priority that I thought was like really important to me, like for like emergency savings, all that stuff, Christmas. So what I'm gonna do is take these envelopes and put them in there. I'm gonna put 2K challenge to the back because we're not starting that till next year. And then we'll put business in here. And then so my other binders will have, and then we'll put to the bank, we'll put that here. If it'll fit, I don't know if it'll fit. Okay, it fits. So we'll stick that in there for now. And then we'll also stick the cash breakdown in here for now. So yeah, so in this binder, for my next cash stuffing video, emergency funds will be in here, savings, Christmas, business, and I'll be starting this next year. So this is not going to be started until next year. So yeah, I'm very excited. Like I said, this is her shop, Simple Shopz. No, the lighting just changed, but this is her shop, Simple Shopz. And yeah, she's a cash budgeter on YouTube. She makes videos, so you guys go over and watch her videos if you're interested in cash budgeting and cash stuffing videos. That would be awesome. So yeah, thank you. I think her name is Daniela. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but I really appreciate you and thank you for my gift. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.